The sun peeked over the rolling hills, painting the sky in brilliant shades of orange and pink. Its warm rays touched the thatched roofs of the huts in our small village, nestled in the heart of the Eastern Cape. This is where my story begins, with a woman named Namusa. She is a mother, a wife, a sister. Her hands, though weathered by years of work, are gentle and skilled. She greets her neighbors with a wide, genuine smile and a cheerful molo. Her laughter is a familiar melody in the village. Namusa's first stop is her own garden, a testament to her hard work and the generosity of the soil. The leaves of the spinach plants, or imifino, are a deep, vibrant green, still glistening with morning dew. She also gathers small, firm pumpkins perfect for roasting, and a handful of ripe red tomatoes, their skin warm from the early sun. Next, her path takes her towards the communal kraal, the heart of the village's livestock. She greets the herdsman, a wise old man named Tatusifo, who has known her since she was a little girl. He helps her select a fine piece of mutton, fresh and of the highest quality. Namusa walks towards the small stream that trickles at the edge of the village. The children are already there, their laughter echoing. She needs fresh water for her cooking, and this stream provides the purest kind. She watches the children play, their joy infectious. Namusa's kitchen is not a room with four walls, but a space that flows between the inside of her hut and the open air outside. The heart of it all is the three-legged cast iron pot, the famous potji, which sits patiently over a crackling wood fire. Namusa begins her work by expertly chopping the onions and tomatoes she gathered. The rhythmic thump-thump-thump of her knife is a familiar sound. Next, she adds the mutton to the pot, searing it until it is beautifully browned on all sides, locking in all the juices. Now it is time for the spices, the soul of the dish. She does not measure with spoons, but with her palm and her intuition. She stirs the pot slowly with a long wooden spoon, her movements practiced and graceful. This slow cooking method is a tradition passed down from her grandmother. The pumpkins are chopped into hearty chunks and added to the pot. The spinach will be added last, wilting just enough to retain its fresh taste. As the sun reaches its zenith, the incredible aroma of the stew signals that lunch is ready. Namusa lays a colorful hand-woven mat under an acacia tree. Namusa's husband, Lutando, returns from the fields, his face tired but breaking into a wide smile as he smells the food. The children, drawn by the irresistible scent, abandon their games and gather around, their faces alight with anticipation. She carefully ladles the rich, fragrant mutton stew into enamel bowls. The deep red of the gravy, the vibrant green of the spinach, and the soft orange of the pumpkin create a beautiful picture. The family sits together on the mat, a circle of love and connection. Before anyone takes a bite, Lutando says a quiet prayer of thanks. He gives thanks for the food, for the hands that prepared it, and for the blessing of having his family together and safe. The silence is then replaced by the happy sounds of eating and appreciative murmurs. The children eat with gusto, their earlier hunger now being satisfied. Namusa looks at her family, her heart overflowing with a deep, quiet joy. This is what matters most, not about having a lot of things, but about having each other. As the afternoon breeze rustles the leaves of the acacia tree, there's a palpable sense of peace, love, and gratitude for the simple, beautiful gift of a shared family lunch.